Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management, and I'm at the Payette River Cabin in McCall, Idaho. Just going to discuss today with you the inevitable, but it happens every once in a while. If the internet goes down and you need to restart and reboot the system, I'm in the master bedroom upstairs. Right now I can clearly see that the power's on. I've got the blue light stating that we got power or data coming in. I've got a blue light data going out. We are connected to the internet and our wireless is active and working. So in the event that something does go wrong and you're having a bit of an issue, the first line of defense is typically just unplug the power for a minute or two. And so once you have waited a minute or two, go ahead and put this back in. Then you're going to have all the lights in the front. Go ahead and flicker on, go through. Now, just in case you don't see 203 Mather when it comes up when you're looking at the Wi-Fi list, you might end up having to go through. And on the bottom of the internet router, you're going to have all the details and information. So what you're going to be looking for is something called the Motorola EF4F0. And then when it asks for the Wi-Fi security key, you're going to end up having to put in this long code that's right here. So if that's the case, that is what is going to help solve your ability to get back onto the Wi-Fi. If you have any further questions, if that does not solve your problem, we might need to call our internet service provider. So please call us at the office. It's 208-634. I was going to give you my cell number, which was not going to be helpful. So it's 208-634-0030. Thank you.